So we all get fascinated with a lot of expensive skincare products. We end up buying them on a fluke, but ultimately, are we able to maintain the consistency with those products or not? This is the most important matter. I'm going to talk about a very affordable product that is extremely affordable. At the same time, it can replace a lot of expensive products such as concentrated serums or essences or a very good moisturizer. I'm talking about a humectant which we call glycerin, which is very much available in the local store or in the online market. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you a very cheap, inexpensive option which can replace your very expensive skincare products. Let us try with the toner. Face toner are the most lightweight skincare product that we use just after cleansing our face. This is perhaps the first step in our skincare routine. Sometimes it is just the toner or the thermal spray that actually calm down our skin. But nowadays the brands have almost stopped making or manufacturing a simple toner. Almost all the toners are so much exfoliating and potent in nature. So they stopped hydrating our skin perfectly. And also they have stopped maintaining the correct pH balance of our skin. So while buying a toner, I always keep telling you that do check out whether they have hydrating agents or not, because just exfoliation is not going to work for us, especially on a everyday basis. What we have to do is, if your toner is exfoliating in nature, if your toner is little strong in nature, if your toner is just soothing and calming your skin, then add a few drops of glycerin into the toner's bottle. It is not going to disrupt the formulation of the toner. At the same time, your toner is going to become a very hydrating one. If it is a summer, if you have oily skin, if you have combination skin, then this toner is going to be a very hydrating mist for your skin. You don't have to add any extra layer for the hydration to add on your skin further. The next step is obviously the face serum. Well, face serum is the most concentrated skincare product that we use on a regular basis. Suppose you are trying to target your skin concerns such as dark spot or pigmentation or melasma or acne or cystic acne or something else, then definitely the serum is going to be very concentrated and potent. So you can add the few drops of glycerin into your serum so that your serum doesn't get too much potent to your skin, doesn't get too much harsh on your skin. Rather, it will play the role of a good hydrating serum for your skin. Whenever you are using glycerin into your skincare product, this is actually helping you to have a skincare product that is extremely hydrating for the skin, and also it will go on for a really long time, and you don't have to put any extra layer on your skin for a bit more hydration, especially for those who have really dry skin and they want a single serum to be used on their face. They can actually get this step included to your skincare routine. Coming to the moisturizer, if you're someone who like to use a gel moisturizer or lightweight essence or something that is extremely lightweight and breathable for your skin, then let me tell you something that I am one of you. I love to use gel moisturizers or lightweight essences or the face lotions that are actually very lightweight in texture, but sometimes they are not enough moisturizing for hydrating for our skin. So you just can add a few drops of glycerin into your moisturizer and it will become a very good hydrating hydrator for your skin. And definitely it is going to benefit on a really long term, because glycerin is a good humectant that doesn't only hydrate your skin, at the same time it will work on the wrinkles or dry patches of your skin. If you are someone who is facing a lot of dry patches here and there, or a bit stretchy feeling on your skin, or a lot of wrinkles here and there on your skin, then this step is actually going to help you a lot. You can use the same moisturizer at the daytime, at the night time, or whenever you want to use it. In one of my shorts, I've already talked about making a milky toner at home. What you need to do is add a few drops of fresh milk and a little bit of distilled water and a very few drops of glycerin into it. And also you can add fresh rose water also. This is going to be a very beautiful concoction which will actually hydrate your skin, and also after using for at least 1 or 2 months it will actually brighten up your skin without expensing a lot of money. This is a very good DIY milky toner that is actually going to help you a lot in boosting the brightness and liveliness of your skin. It is very rejuvenating at the same time. I think winter is almost going to leave us right now, but people who are of the dry skin family, people who have very dull and damaged body skin, at the same time people who want to maintain their body skin for the entire year, trust me, there is no other way to maintain your body skincare routine in this way. I have already talked about it in one of my videos that body lotion, if mixed with glycerin and rose water, it becomes a very good maintenance for your body. It will work very fast on your body. This will definitely brighten up your body. This will keep your body skin hydrated for the entire day. You don't have to use a lot of expensive body care products. You just have to cleanse your body properly and just apply this concoction, and you will thank me later within 2 weeks. I kid you not, this is a very good trick that you can definitely follow. You can also make a clear mask using glycerin. What you need to do is add a little bit of petroleum jelly and a few drops of glycerin into it. Rose water should be there, and of course a little bit of aloe vera gel, which is sourced from a good brand or natural aloe vera gel if it suits your sensitive skin. Mix them well and apply it as a moisturizer on your skin. Keep it overnight and you will actually wake up with a glass skin. You don't have to buy an expensive collagen mask from outside. Rather, you are making it at your home. It's a very good DIY mask for your face, and it actually boosts your collagen, but in a slighter way, because externally collagen cannot be boosted supremely. You have to do it internally. But yes, definitely aloe vera gel and glycerine both have the capacity to stop the aging and boost the collagen. So you can definitely try this one. This is a very effective mask, and I have been actually doing this since so many years. You can also try this one and let me know whether it works for your skin or not. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you very soon. Till then, bye.